record. Okay. So, okay. General ledger is the core module of Oracle, the primary. Okay. What is GL na? So, GL. So why GL is the main module and core module of GL? Ledger we call it. All other module. See, what are the finance module? We have AP. Okay.
AR.
AR.
Fixed asset. Management. Fixed asset.
Cash management.
Cash management.
So everything will flow into GL.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. See, everything will go into GL. Okay. All FA, AP, AR,
all sector will go to GL. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Right. Okay, good. Okay. So everything the Mari, it is coming to GL. Okay. So what about other module? SCM module. What is SCM module? You have order management.
Order management.
So you have purchasing a module. Okay. PO. And you have inventory module. You have WIP. WIP module SCM supply chain. WIP work in progress.
WIP, sir.
Work in progress no module.
Okay.
So you have n number of module. Okay. Suppose you have Oracle HRMS. Human resource management. So HRMS module, what is the connection between GL? No connection. It is a updation of employee records for joining, resigning, salary, everything. So what happens when he pays salary? It has to come to AP payment. Okay. So there is a link between
AP and HRMS.
Yes. Like that, everything, see, AP to GL, see, the flow will come to GL. Ultimately, it has to come to GL. Okay. Okay. You create a purchase order, it comes to AP, it comes to GL. This is called procure to pay flow. P2P we call it.
Okay.
P2P flow. Purchase to procure to pay. Maybe in AP we'll see. Okay.
Okay.
Inventory, from inventory PO will be going like that. Okay. So AR, from inventory order, when the sale will go to the warehouse and pick it, and it comes to the sales order, accounts receivable, accounting entries to GL. So this is called O2C cycle. Order to cash.
Order to cash.
Procure to pay. This is a very important topic. R to R. Revenue to report. GL. Okay. Okay, right. So this is called flow. This is the main flow for the Oracle Financial. Any interview or anything, any industry, they will ask procure to P2P flow, O2C flow, R to R. Okay.
Okay.
Flows around this only finance. So in GL we'll run the trial balance and everything. This is called the full cycle. Okay. So whatever modules in Oracle, it has to come to GL in any other way, because when it related to finance, it has to come. What about fixed assets? When you buy a fixed asset, you book in AP, it comes to asset, then it comes to GL. Okay.
GL.
So this is the flow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we are in R12 now, release 12. Why release 12? What is in R11A. Okay. Now we'll see the difference. Okay.
R11A and R12.
R12.
Okay.
R11, release 11 we call. This is release 12. Now there is R13. That is called Fusion.
Mm-hmm.
Fully cloud based. This
Okay.
two is not cloud based, no system. Okay. Okay. These are all they call Oracle. People, when you say Oracle, they see technical only. This is called Oracle e-business suite.
E-business. Yes.
When you open it, will display, right? Oracle Fusion
Mm-hmm.
applications. Okay. Oracle application. Apps they call.
Okay.
Oracle application finance, Oracle application SCM like that.
Mm.
So they call this apps finance, apps technical. DBA technical is different, apps technical. Apps na front end of the back end of this. Okay. These are all the names. Okay. The job will come Oracle apps financial, Oracle application financial like that. Okay. See why you need this. Now I'll show you same general ledger. So you would have studied in commerce group +1, +2 accounts only, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now tell me an accounting entry for sale of 10,000 sales. How you write in +1? Full details you tell me.
Sales minus
Sales.
Purchase order, sales order.
So as simple what you write cash to sales.
Cash to sales, yeah.
Correct?
Yes, sir. Cash to sales.
Debit what comes in cash. Credit what goes in
sales.
Correct?
Cash.
Cash or bank to sales. Okay.
Sales. Mm.
Okay. I said 10,000. Okay. Now, suppose this transaction happens for HCL company. Okay. Now the owner is asking, nothing is there. He is asking which branch it is sold or with, okay.
Branch.
Where you note it? Where is the date? I told in +1, right? Where date is missing, where it's sold, which country, what currency, that and all missing. If you go to your +1 book, it will be clear.
Okay.
When and where we grow up, no, you study C and we forget all the basics. Okay. Correct. So
yes,
date
sir.
is 17/10/2020. Correct.
2020. Yeah.
You write the first date only, right, in the ledger book. You remember?
Yes,
+1 you write, and here you write what? What is the heading you write here? First you write date.
Debit and credit.
No, particulars. Here, debit or credit you will write.
Debit or credit. Yeah.
Here you write rupees or something. Here you will write INR or USD. So this is what it right. Then he's asking which branch you sold, where you capture, which branch it is sold. You write narration, right?
Narration, yeah, description.
So narration, you write being sales done for Chennai location. Okay. Chennai location, OMR branch.
OMR, HCL branch. Okay.
Okay. They are selling on HCL computer. Okay. Now he's asking, okay, what sales? Because HCL is having software, hardware, education. Now where you capture that? Here only you have to capture.
Yeah.
I have to write, maybe I have to write HCL college in OMR for the lab, etc., etc. How long you will write?
Application or software, anything.
All the things you have to write here. So this is a complete picture. You capture everything in one answer. But the owner cannot look into that and all. You don't have time to look, right? And
You
even
just
you
see the
can type,
narration.
And you can, even if you type wrongly or something, your manager or something, nobody is checking, it is wrong only, right?
Yes, yes.
So so this has to be captured in ERP.
Okay.
Okay.
ERP.
Oracle. ERP means
Okay.
enterprise. Main thing I didn't tell you, right?
Okay.
So they call ERP. Enterprise Resource
Enterprise.
Planning. This is ERP. So which is the leading ERP in the world is SAP and Oracle. Both are equally competent. Europe, SAP is famous. SAP is famous for material management. Here, Oracle is famous for financials. Okay.
Finance.
So these are the basic. Okay. Now we written a sales entry. Okay. What we have to do now? We have to create a purchase entry. What you write? Date is same. Instead of cash, debit, cash will be
Purchase.
Purchase to cash. Cash will be credit. Purchase will be debit. And you write being purchased done for. Okay.
Being purchase done for same thing OMI branch. Purchase being
Something.
purchased for the same.
Okay, right. Super. Now the question is how the Oracle is capturing this. Oracle or SAP, everything. Oracle is capturing this information, every bit and pieces of information. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you tell me in this example. Okay.
Yeah.
So INR, this is for India. If I want to create for USD, so to create a transaction. Okay. Right. It is a ledger. Okay. Now Oracle. See, Oracle 11i. I told na.
Yes, sir. Oracle 11. Yeah.
R11. Okay. In Oracle 11i, first we'll see how it will capture. Okay. So date. It has to capture date, right?
Yes.
So in Oracle we call calendar. Same name terms. Okay. The particulars we call chart of accounts.
Chart of accounts.
Okay. We call also COA, right?
Okay.
Chart of accounts. Third we call currency. Okay. So what we call the combination of 3C. If Oracle, what is Oracle 11 mean? We call set of books. This is called set of books. Or a set of books is consist of 3C. What are the 3C? Solunga?
Calendar, chart of accounts, and currency.
Simple. The director, if you read, you won't understand. Now you understand why they are having 3C. How 3C is created, why you need 3C.
Okay.
Same you come to Oracle R12. R12 is having 4C. Same 3C plus 1 more C. Why you need 4th C, I will tell you with an example. Okay. Suppose this company, now you align in different thing. Okay. Calendar. What is calendar? From the currency we know this is Indian company HCL. So what is our accounting year?
March.
April to March.
April to March.
Chart of accounts, I will elaborate later. So this is our chart of account, accounting entry. Okay. Currency, what is our currency? INR.
INR.
So I will create a set of book for this. Okay.
System.
Now I open a branch in US. What is US calendar? Jan to December.
Jan to December.
Chart of accounts also will be there.
USD.
What is the US? Okay.
USD.
Okay. Okay. What it says, if any C changes out of the 3C, you have to create a new set of books. I have to create a new, I have to create, right? Because calendar changes, correct?
Full form for this SOD, I forgot.
Set of books.
Yes. Set of books.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, calendar change, currency change, chart of account change, anything it changes, it requires a new books to be created. Okay.
Okay.
So if I have 25 branch, how many books needed? 25 branch in different country, how many set of books I have to create?
25.
Yes, correct. 25. So if end user want here and there login, how much time consuming, and you have to consolidate if it is separate. That is a huge problem, correct?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So see, whatever you said, we'll create n number. Chart of accounts also will differ mostly. Chart of account 2. I will tell you chart of account. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Instead of this, so you want to use as to log out first set of book, second. So it is more time consuming, right? And in one book we cannot incorporate it. Okay. So Oracle R12 came.
R12. Okay.
So what happened in R12? Okay. So R12, what they found out. Okay. So for change of C, you have to create a new set of books. One set of book, now it will be easy to consolidate it is to check in one book. Lot of control will be there, correct?
Okay.
Okay. So they introduced fourth C, accounting convention.
Accounting convention. Okay. This is the fourth one.
Fourth one. The C will take up from the second.
Okay.
ACC.
Convention. Okay.
Okay. Or it comes as SLA, subledger accounting. Subledger accounting concept came in here only. Subledger accounting.
Subledger accounting. Okay.
Everything in the theory. Okay. Fourth C. Okay. In India, we follow accrual method of accounting. What is accrual method?
Accrual. Exact occurrence.
Okay. In US, assuming they follow cash method of accounting. China follow China. Each country. What is accrual method? If you study accounting standard in C and all, you will remember. What is accrual method? Okay. See, salary entry you are passing. When you pass the salary entry at the end of the month. Suppose October 31st, I pass a salary entry. Okay. What you pass? Expense debit salary to cash if at all you paid. Or you pass salary to salary accrued. Because normally most company pay next day, 1st or 5th or 4th, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you have to accrue in the current month itself. See, October salary expense to be October only, no? Okay. If you accrue, that's why you have to put on accrual. Yeah. So
like
if you go
investment.
Sorry.
Like,
so 5th November salary accrue will be debit and bank will be credit. So what happened? This will get knocked off. So ultimately, but the payment is occurring in 5th November, but the expense is occurring in October. This is called accrual method. You accrue on the expense whenever it occurs, you pay whenever it needed. Okay. What is cash method of accounting is, what is cash method? This won't come. When you pay directly, you out to account. See the difference. This expense will be coming in October, but this expense is coming only in November. So there are many different. So this method, it will accommodate. That is called fourth C. Okay.
Sir, for example, salary accrued. Any example you can give, sir? Salary accrual.
Salary accrual, that only. See, you are getting paid only next month, 1st or 5th. See, for October salary, you are getting in November only, na? That is accrual. For example, rent. Rent I have to pay last month, 30th September. Rent expense to, okay. What is the first you will put to accrual account? Rent accrual or that owner account, right? If at all you pay in 30th September, you make a rent to cash, correct?
Cash. Yes.
I don't have money, but this is September rent. I cannot put on October. I put an accrual entry. So I pay on 10th of October.
10th of October.
I'll pay to bank. Instead of rent, I capture rent accrual so that this account will get knocked off. The actual payment is 10th October, but the expense pertain to September. Okay.
Okay.
Now you understand? There is a difference between cash and accrual. So you should need a separate books to capture it. Okay. Okay. That's why there is a method of a fourth C invented. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt till now? Okay. So here is the difference. You see, now here you call set of books, right? Oracle R12 we call ledger.
Ledger.
Yes. We call ledger because it is having 4C.
4C.
Okay. Ledger, set of books, 3C, 4C. Same 3C plus accounting convention or SLA. Okay. Now what happened? We call set of books 1, set of books 2, right? Yes, here we call first book when you create, we call primary ledger.
Primary ledger. First book means from March to April to March.
No. It is a book of Indian book. You are creating a ledger in India. First ledger, primary ledger. So where the head office or prior the primary location, you are creating the first.
Okay.
So I am creating a branch in US. That is secondary ledger.
Oh, fine. Outsource, like outsource.
No, our ledger. No, this is my company's first branch. HCL Chennai. HCL India. HCL US.
Oh, okay.
HCL Singapore. HCL Dubai. So wherever it is, HCL owner want to see the amount in INR only because I know about INR only, right? So everything we have to be converted in INR, right? So this is second ledger 1, second ledger 2. Like this, around 30 second ledger they can make. The more and more you go, more and more complicated. Okay. So we have to, as a consultant, you have to analyze the situation, whether it is needed. Example, July to June. I am putting an example. I don't know what is that. Maybe same chart of account. Euro. Another method. Okay. There are many methods. I am putting cash method. Because of some changes, Maybe this is equal Dubai. What is Dubai? AED.
AED.
Currency change. Okay. Right. So some change is there. Any one of the C you create. So what happened? The primary ledger will have all the information of other second ledgers. Here you log into only one book and you can see everything. Okay. Up to now you understand?
Yes, sir. If no, if only HCL India, if you open the other books, all the things will be stored in primary ledgers. Correct? All
Yeah,
the details
everything
of
will come
one
into
to
primary
eight
ledger,
will be
correct?
reported to
Wherever
primary
you
ledger.
book, okay. See, here it is separate. Anyway,
Okay.
the consolidation will happen in primary ledger.
INR, primary ledger. Yes.
If I book an entry in USD, that is the
Okay.
many method is there. Even one by one
Okay.
entry it will come, or even as a bulk. Okay.
Okay.
As a bulk also it can come. One by one entry also it will come. Okay.
Okay.
That is based on the setup that we will see in the theory. If you read, you will understand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Okay. So this is the difference for C, and you have setup books bill. We have primary ledger and second ledger. And one more, this is called, and one more addition. There is a concept called RC, reporting currency.
Reporting currency.
What is reporting currency? This
is come under R12, sir.
R12 only. We are reading about R12 only now. Reporting currency means only the currency is changing.
Okay.
Nothing is changing.
Currency level.
You can add reporting currency, that currency.
Okay.
I will add reporting currency, and the currency will reflect. I don't want any other currency. Okay.
Okay.
Any other ledger. Only I will add the reporting currency in the second ledger. So it will automatically convert the month end or entry by entry or summarize based on the setup. Okay.
Okay.
This is what 11A and R12 difference. Okay. So we seen what is calendar. Calendar you can create. Currency it is inbuilt in Oracle, and chart of account. I will explain you what is chart of account. Okay.
Okay.
Both chart of accounts is same. Okay. Now we taken the example of okay. We taken the example of HCL. Okay. Now I told in the narration you have to tell what is the company, where, in a product, everything. So that and all we have to see in the chart of accounts. Okay. Okay, right. So what is chart of account? Oh, I'll tell you here. Chart of account. You can see, right? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, chart of account. Okay. First, I am telling we have to capture now. I am telling in HCL, or we taken Tata groups. Tata having many, right? Okay, Tata groups. They want to create an Oracle setup. First, I want to see how many companies they have. Okay, or line of business. We can say company or line of business. Okay.
Okay.
So what are the companies Tata is having? We know Tata is having TCS software. Tata is having software. Tata is having salt business. We can say manufacturing. Tata Steel and all is there. Okay. Trade also there. They are having what is that? Tata Lick. They are having no. Tata Lick or something. Tata Lick. Tata Salt. They are having what is that? Tata Mineral Water, like that industry. Okay.
Okay.
education,
Sports.
So we know they are having n number of business. Okay.
Sports.
Sports. Okay. So they are having n number of business. So I have to capture their number of business. See, this is when you go for implementation, you are sitting with the accounts manager or around CFO, and we are gathering the information. Okay.
Information.
Yeah. Okay, right. Now tell me. So next, I am classifying all the department. Department we can say cost center. Whatever name you call and whatever format you want, you can do it. So any department there will be finance,
administration,
sales, admin,
IT.
purchase, etc.
Okay.
So they will have thousands of department. See, if you go for see in Tata, each company will have a finance department, manufacturer. So they will have sales 1, finance 2, sales Tata like that. It will go to n number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It will go to thousands of yes. Okay. Yes. So for creating a accounting entry, what is the main two things? This main. Okay.
Okay.
See, you create an accounting entry, debit and credit. Okay. What is the two things which is main?
What comes in and what you have to pay. That's the main thing.
Okay. Like, two things means two items. One is company. You should know which company you are creating. Okay. And next is account. Either is sales or purchase. Okay. So how we are classifying company, department, product? What is this called? Okay. This is called segments. Okay. So segments. Segments is minimum 2, maximum 30. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, right. So what are the type of account? Okay. Expense, income, asset, liability, retained revenue. Why we have this account? Last year profit should come, right? That's why we have 5 type of account in the Oracle. Okay. Okay, right. These are all type. Okay, right. So minimum 2 segment is company and account. Maximum is 30. So maximum, the more you go, it is more complicated. The user has fill all the segment. Okay. So this line is called segment. Okay. Okay. Now tell me. So when a user is creating a sales entry, he has to pick full cycle. Okay. Okay. Wait. Product. So for the manufacturing, you have product, right?
Yes.
Correct. Like that, it will go n number of products. Okay. So you will have byproduct. You cannot put this by. It will have byproduct. And we have variety of segment. Okay. Based on the industry. Okay. Now you are creating an entry. What entry first we given sales to cash. Now tell me one sales to cash entry here. Suppose I'll tell you question. I want to sell software. So I want to in the sales. Okay. In the company of software, I am selling. Okay.
Okay.
I am selling. Okay. I am selling. Tell me.
Okay. Software Debit and cash credit.
Okay.
Sales.
Software, debit, cash,
Software.
credit. So entry, how it should be? Software, debit you said, right? But
Okay.
software, which department? Sales, everything. It is a combination of segment you have to create. It is an income, right?
Income.
The entry should be, it is having any product? No. No,
P2.
software doesn't have a product. If it has a product, pick it. P1. It is defined. Okay.
No. Okay.
If doesn't have a product, it is not a product means you have to put default. Default means
sir.
0 or nil. Okay.
0 or nil. Yeah.
Assuming software also we created a product. Okay. We created Oracle software like that. Now tell me credit. Credit is bank.
Bank.
But banks comes under where? Asset here. But department and this is same, right? So this will come, right? So banks come under where? Asset.
Asset.
Product. So this is the entry Oracle will make.
Okay.
Okay. Now you see that everything is very difficult to type. A user 1000 of item you cannot write and search. So they have a code.
Code. Yeah. GL code.
So they will give a code. Okay. 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 So I assume that this company maximum they are giving is 10 or 20. Okay. 20 company only now. I will think maximum how much company they will start in another 20 year, another 5 or 10, correct?
Yes, sir.
Companies, type of company. Okay. So otherwise we'll put in the existing company. So maximum 99, I am assuming as a consultant, we have to put maximum level. So it is how many digit in the 99? 2 digit. So this company 01, 02, 03 like that. We have to create a values. Okay. Okay. Understand?
Okay.
How the values is created. After discussing with the finance manager or CFO, we are deciding at both confirmation. So we are assuming that your company max now only 11 company you are having. In the future, you maximum we are giving the values as this. So I am creating 2 digit. 2 digit is called, this is called values. I am giving 2 values. Okay. How many values I am giving? 2.
2 values.
Okay. Same you come here. Departmental call it will be 1000, right?
Okay.
So maximum digit I am giving is 9999. Up to that it is allowed. So I can give like 001. So everything will be 4 digit only. Okay.
Okay.
This. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What about account? You are having only 5 category. Okay.
Okay.
Account is different. Okay. So we want to classify each account as one number normally.
One code.
One code to differentiate between asset liability. That is based on their lucky number. Suppose I am putting 1 series is expense. I have to check the value. Normally it is higher value. I am putting 99999. 5 digit. Okay.
Okay.
So all the expense will start with 1. Okay.
Yes.
So up to, I will type all the expense up to 1999. Okay.
To the last value.
Sorry. Yes. Up to the last value.
Okay.
So you have all the expense limit. Okay. I put 6-digit, right? Normally they will have to many level expense, no? We don't know how many expense you will create. Okay. So up to this line, you can create up to 30,000 or something. Up to this line, you can create. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Done. Like that, for income, I will have one code. Suppose 2 series starting with the income. Now you understood, right?
Hmm.
Now here it will be 1, right? Because 2 starts with income, correct?
Yeah.
So
One is full of expenses,
yeah.
and 2 is belongs to income.
Hmm.
Okay, 299, sir. 29 till 2299, it's income.
It's income.
It's income. Okay.
Till 2299, it is income.
Income. Okay.
Till 399,999,
Asset.
it should be asset.
Asset. Any
It
kind of.
can be alphanumeric also. Okay.
Okay.
This is only one account. Okay.
Okay. Retained revenue.
Right. So now you understood, right? How they create.
Yes, sir. Hmm.
So the values here is, see how the values count. The values here is 2.
Okay.
See the concept you have to remember. What is segment? What is values? That is only. So this is
Yeah, I can understand. Sir.
in GL only. This is there. Otherwise, all accounting only. Okay.
Okay.
You should not confuse.
But the same thing will come under AP also, sir. In that,
Everywhere.
concept of line
All the
items.
modules it will come from GL only. If you
GL
see
only,
SAP also same only chart of account creation.
Okay.
SAP also same chart of account creation. Okay. Here value is 6. Okay. Like that product also you can have 5 or 6. Okay. Product I am putting 5.
Mhm.
Okay. Now you tell the accounting entry same. What is for the software? 01.
01. Code
01.
001.
Sales.
Sales
0002. Not 2.
0002.
0002.
02. Okay.
Income. Sales income. What is that? 10002, right?
Sales income is 100002.
Product if it is there, or else default.
Or else
So
default.
your Oracle entry will be 01 dot, right? 01 dot 002 dot 00. So in the description you will get this. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
So this is how it is created and formed. Okay. Same thing will come for the bank entry. And here what account it will take? Where is the asset account? 3. Maybe 3 lakh 1 is bank. Okay.
Okay.
So it will take this. You will get the description, correct? This bank,
Hmm,
that
yes.
bank.
Which bank we need?
Okay. So credit account is this one. Okay. So this is how Oracle setup is made. Okay.
Okay.
This example you think very simple. Now you have to read all the theory. GL volume 1. They will in depth. They will give what is value. Okay. Right. Now I told what is values. Values is 2. For creating value, you have to create a name called company. If there is a value set, then where you will put the value, right? There is a concept called value set. Okay.
This come under creation, right, sir?
Creation only, setup only we are talking. In the value set called company, now you create a value set called company. In that you have values, you attach everything, you will attach. So here what value set you will create? A cost center or department value set. Okay. So first you create value set, then you create values. So here what are the three things? What is chart of account? It is a combination of segment. If they ask what is chart of account, you tell combination of segments. They also call flex field combination. Okay, because they call these are all flex field segments, na? Flex field combination. Okay. So you should not worry about the description they are giving. Everything is same, more or less same only. Okay. Flex field. Okay. Flex field combination. So this combination is called flex field combination. Okay. So why we are this limit is important. Suppose suddenly they create 100 company or 200 company, you cannot go beyond that. Okay. Just you, and also you cannot decrease. Suppose I closed the software and I am starting a cloud. It is equivalent to software. I don't want software. I am not deleting it. Okay. I just end it. You can end it because you can reopen anytime. Okay. Because what I can say, because already what is that? Already some accounting entry are there. You cannot delete an ERP like this. Okay. So you have to end it that. Because if you end it, it won't come in the accounting entry LOV. We call list of value. Whatever you pick, no, that is called LOV. This some account will not come. Okay. That is what. That's why we have to carefully design. This is called designing of chart of account. Okay. So if you take a company as an example, and you have to create your own thing. Designing of COA they call, because this is the highest wanted. You have to think and design what will come, what will not come. If you take my volume 1, I given many example in India. Suppose this branch in India, what will happen? Like that you have to think. That is what consultant job is. Okay. Okay. Then what is there? This is what ledger, segment, primary, secondary. Okay. I told, na? Okay. This is one. Okay, right. Now I'll go open the PDF I sent you, right? This now you understood, na? I'll send you later.
Yeah, understood, sir. I understood.
Yes. Immediately you have to read that theory, then only you will understand that. Otherwise, you won't understand that. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. So we seen all the Excel. Other I will see how it is mentioned in the PDF. So like I said, Oracle General Ledger is the common process. All the other modules will link in the General Ledger. Okay. Okay. So they are given in diagrammatic way. I shown in the accounting entry way, right? HRMS, finance, CRM module, other subledger, other module, project module, manufacturing. Okay. See what all you can do General Ledger. I know you have already worked. You can record in create invoice. You can analyze the information, edit. Before posting, you can edit.
Before posting,
you can review. After posting, you cannot do anything. Only you can reverse and create it, right?
Reverse and create another one.
Like that. Okay. So they given. So you can read this. Same.
Okay.
This is the GL accounting cycle. Can you read this from open period?
Open period, create a reserve journal entry and post, review, reversal, translate, and consolidation, review correct balance, and run report and close period.
Okay. So you understood, huh?
Yes, sir.
Process is correct.
இது வந்து எனக்கு எப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணணும், then you have to validate the post. உடனே post பண்ணணும்.
Post
Tough-ஆ
last.
இருக்கு அப்படி.
இல்ல
post on last.
Post last தான் until we know this is the entire process. You open the period, create, then
Create.
it's wrong, it is reverse, post, then review. You will review that it is correct in there. Then you will revaluation or translation at the month end. Then consolidation of books. Then
Consolidation of books.
Balances.
Then
review or correct balances. What is review or correct balances means? If you want to correct the balance, you will not do in the current month. You will reverse or you do in the adjustment period like that. Then you run all the report. Then you close the current period. Okay.
Okay.
Correct only. This is the process.
Correct.
Because we, our work finished
after
within
creation. After creation, they mentioned a sports. That's why I asked.
No. Immediate. See, and our process post will come last. They have given in the higher level. Okay.
Okay. Oh, fine. Okay.
Okay. This is critical implementation. When you do an implementation, what is the critical thing? The information which is shared, flow, open interface. What is open interface? Non-Oracle system. Suppose you are going for implementation. Okay. Suppose all the 5 module for AR, they are having other module. Suppose it's a telecom industry, they are having a software called Amdocs. Even though Oracle will work, Oracle will link that and it will come into the GL. Only the interface tables has to match with the key field. That it can be done. Okay. You can read it. These are all generic related to that. Okay. This is the same thing. When you create it from subledger, it comes to GL interface tables. Then it comes to the journal import. Subledger means all other than GL are subledger. GL is the main ledger. All other GL are subledgers. Okay. Because everything has to come to GL. Okay.
Subledger means like AP, AR, like that only, sir. Asset.
Correct. AP, AR, GL, assets.
Okay.
And other module also subledger only. Okay. If it technically you can leave it. They are giving an overview only. Importing from non-Oracle, like I said, it can be imported from other than Oracle systems. This is the setup. How to do your accounting setup. The first setup. How to do legal ledger and all. Okay. Foreign currency. There are foreign currency is there, no, other than local currency. So at the month end, what we do, you convert from our currency to the other currency. What is ledger currency? We call it is the first primary ledger currency.
Okay.
Our example, our currency is
For
INR.
example, we mentioned in INR, other sectors like
from
Singapore,
USD
Dubai,
it has
you have to converted to
means
INR.
It will not affect the original transaction. And revaluation, this is also will not affect the books. It is an it will go to unrealized gain or loss account. Next is translation. Like I am in India, I want to see all the balance sheet in INR only. So they will run translation program. It will translate all other currency into INR. Okay. Multiple currency support. That we seen. It will support, see, reporting currency. If currency is the only change, see, if difference is only currency, then you should use reporting currency. It should not for a subledger. If 3C changes, they will say other 2C okay, only currency changes, you can use reporting currency. You don't want to create a subledger because subledger it is more complicated, right?
Fine.
Okay. Subledger to ledger, how it converts? See the 3 type: balance, journal, subledger. Only the balance will be transferred to the main ledger. Journal, all the journals will come to the main ledger.
Primary ledger,
yes, primary ledger. Super. Subledger level itself, it will be there. It will be attached to the primary ledger, and one by one they will give in the detail here.
Automatically it will go. Okay.
Yeah, you will see the details below, and they say in Oracle budget that we see in detail. Okay, reporting analysis is there. There is a separate topic. Standard report. These are all the standard report available in Oracle itself. Other than this, if your agency or client needs, you have to customize it. Okay.
Customize it. Okay.
Financial rate statement report, and FSG report we call. See, this is also there in detail. We'll see. See, what is FSG report? Suppose.
Okay.
In Oracle, we are only having trial balance. Balance sheet and P&L is not inbuilt in the Oracle. We have to create through FSG. Okay,
Okay.
very simple only. Okay, all the report we depend on the technical team, but only this reports we can direct as a functional consultant. Okay,
Okay.
this is also a separate chapter. We'll see.
Sir, what report will be expecting from IT, sir? Which
IT
for
help mean
example,
technical.
any two
No,
technical
any customized report. Suppose
customized report.
I'm they want different table, they want different design. Everything we have to give the input to the technical team. Technical team don't know functional like us. We have to
Okay.
write a what is the document. There are many document. I will explain later.
Yeah.
There is a document called MD50. There is a format. We will write this is the step with the screenshot. They will understand and they will write the program, right?
Okay.
Because in this field, the people will jump immediately from one company to other company. They want all documentation only. So that a new
Okay,
consultant
sir.
will do that, study the documentation, and immediately he will pitch in for the work. Okay.
Okay.
There is no, that is what we are fully working on documentation here. Okay. All concerned documentation only. Okay. See, can you read the quiz and answer?
Oracle General Ledger is comprehensively finance management solution, but it does not allow you to import data from subsidiary ledgers.
Subsidiary ledger.
It's false, sir. Actually,
False,
comprehensive
because it
ledger
will allow.
it will allow. Yeah.
That allows. Okay.
Okay.
Next question.
Oracle General integration with Oracle Payable, but does not integrate the Oracle ledger. True.
Hmm?
True, sir. Oracle Payable, but does not integrate with Oracle HR. General ledgers integrate with Oracle Payable. It will, sir. It will. True.
Okay. Integrate and Oracle HR as well as finance. Everything it will
True, true.
integrate. Correct.
Okay.
Next.
Every time you enter subledger transaction or entry in journal directly in here, same transaction of journal will be converted to one or more associated subledger level reporting currency. Every time you enter okay, the same transaction of journal will be converted. False, sir.
Every time you enter a subledger transaction, enter and post a journal directly in GL, same transaction journal will be converted to one or more
Same
associated
transaction,
subledger level reporting currency. Huh?
same level journal will be converted. No, it will
Okay.
not convert.
Associated subledger level. See, and post a journal directly in GL.
Okay.
No, what they are telling, every time you enter a subledger transaction or enter and post a journal, see, if you post directly in GL,
Okay.
it will come to subledger, it won't come, right? Let's see.
No, it won't come.
Subledger, same time. Every time you learn a subledger, enter the same transaction journal will be converted to one or more associated subledger with the reporting currency.
Okay.
They didn't say,
What is the
reporting currency. See, if a currency is different, it will run.
it will
Actually,
run?
this
Okay.
question is confusing. Okay, right. See, reporting currency, what I said, if it is a different currency, it has to report. Okay,
You have to
but it
different
will not
currency.
run for subledger. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, these are all we'll read. Okay, next is ledger. That's what we seen in detail, no? What is
Yes.
primary? What is secondary?
Primary, secondary.
Ledger. What is the ledger? Can you read this? See, I
Uh,
want you to
fundamental.
read like all this, and then compare with. That is for understanding. But this is the real thing you have to tell. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Read it. Read.
Ledger definition. The fundamental concept in Oracle application is ledger, and ledger represent as accounting representation for organization that is accountable in self-contained way.
Okay, stop. What do you understand?
Fundamental concept means what are the things like amount basic of things sir, like we mentioned in narration, like things and all we have to represent it
Okay,
in accounting
next.
format. Ledger owner might be legal entity or group of companies in common legal environment. Several options for legal entity with legal contribution for foreign branch and legal ledgers are also used for consolidated and managed organization modeling reporting. It's a pure implementation. Legal entity accounts for self-instant ledger. Uh, for example, sir, the common specific கோடுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் சார். நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஆப்ரேஷன்ஸ்ல காமன் ஸ்பெசிஃபிக் கோட்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க சார். அது வந்து இந்த ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் லீகல் என்விரான்மெண்டல் ஆப்ரேஷன் லீகல் என்டைட் பட் லீகல் என்டைட் ஆப்ரேஷன் லீகல் என்டைட்டில்னா இந்த ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சேல்ஸ் அட்மின் ஐடி வி ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் செக்டார்ஸ் ஆஃப் கண்டெக்ட் நோ சார்.
ஓகே,
தட் செக்டார் வந்து இதுல லீகலா இப்போ ஃபாரின் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் மாடியூல்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல சார். அதுக்கு வந்து இப்போ ஃபாரின் பிரான்ச்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு செக்டார்ஸ் ஆஃப் கோட் இருக்கும். நம்மளுக்குனா இப்போ ஐஎன்ஆர்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு கோட் இருக்கும். டிஃப்ரெண்ட் லீகல் என்டைட்டில் ஆஃப் கோட் இருக்கும். ஃபார் சேல்ஸ் அட்மின் ஐடி அந்த பிரீஃப் சொல்றேன் சார்.
திருப்பி படிங்க ஸ்லோவா.
Ledger owner might be legal entity. A group of company is a common legal environment. Group of ledger அதான் அந்த ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் லெட்ஜர் வந்து காமனா லீகல் ஒரு என்விரான்மெண்ட்ல இருப்பாங்க. சப்டைட்டில் ஆப்ரேஷன் வித் லீகல் என்டிட்டி பட் இஸ் லீகல் என்டிட்டி for a foreign branch.
Okay, might be a legal entity, group of company in a common legal environment. Foreign branch ledger consolidate ada foreign branch legal entity whatever it is confirmed under ledger only. Okay,
Okay.
So, whatever type of company it serves as a repository. Next point, business having meaning.
இல்ல சார், இப்போ ஃபாரின் பிரான்ச் என்ன பிரான்ச் வேணா இருக்கலாம். ஆனா என்ன செக்டார் வந்து அந்த பிரைமரி செக்டார் ஆஃப் லெட்ஜர்ல தான் வந்து விழணும்.
இல்ல, no primary concept is not defined as primary yet. Okay, it is a ledger. Everything comes under ledger. That's simple. Okay. The last point பாருங்க, ledger balances.
Legal entity accounting for itself ledger.
No, fourth and the ledger balances have meaning.
Ledger balance have meaning. They arrest that the balance of accounts at given date has specific value in particular currency is properly calculated. This implies in concept application of what we sometimes calls 4CS, Chart of Accounts, calendar, currency and accounting convention. இதுதான் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். That COA provides that accounts code and calendar, a date and accounting period, currency the transaction currency, convention that accounting rules and regulation of the company and the country. Okay, இதுதான் அந்த நம்ம அந்த டேட் கேலண்டர்ஸ் கான்செப்ட்ஸ்.
Yes, okay
சார் கோட்ஸ்.
Okay, now tell me. படிங்க.
calendar currency. The 4CS refers to charted of accounts, calendar, currency, cash. True sir.
False. ஏன் பாருங்க,
currency accrued
chart of account, calendar, currency and cash. Fourth is not cash.
cash வராது.
See, fourth is accounting convention. Okay. Okay, they said now what is secondary ledger. படிங்க.
Secondary ledgers are the used for
supplementary purposes used for global company. So இந்த வேர்ட் இந்த டெர்மினாலஜி தான் உங்ககிட்ட வரணும். அதை அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. பட் இதை தான் நோட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கணும். ஷார்ட்டா நோட்ஸ் எடுத்து ஒரு இதுல போட்டு
supplementary
ledger, supplementary, additional. Okay, அது எல்லாமே கீழ இருக்கு.
ஓகே
இது எக்ஸாம்பிள்
சொல்ற பாயிண்ட் எனக்கு புரியுது. என்னன்னா நீங்க படிக்க சொல்றீங்க.
அதுதான் படிக்க
But
சொல்றேன்.
okay.
Because this is
Okay.
what you have to tell in an interview or something. அது வந்து for
Fine,
your
sir.
understanding தான், புரியுதா?
அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங். ஆமா, அது நான் படிச்சது வந்து ப்ராக்டிகல்
ஏன்னா
அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்.
இதை
இது
டைரக்டா
வந்து
படிச்சா
பேசிக்
nobody will
அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்.
understand. அதுக்கு தான் நான்
எஸ்
அதை
எஸ்.
கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அது எக்ஸாம்பிளா நீங்க சொல்லலாம். இப்ப பாருங்க,
Fine.
when a subledger is at balance level, use GL consolidation to transfer.
Transfer
ஜேர்னல்
balance.
லெவல்னா போஸ்டிங் ஆர் ஆட்டோமே எல்லா
போஸ்டிங்
ஜேர்னலும் போகும்.
ஆட்டோமேட்டிக். ஆ,
சப்லெஜர் ஜேர்னல்னா எஸ்எல்ஏன்னு ஒன்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது மூலமா போகும். அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட் ஒன்லினா ஒன்லி அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட்
மேனுவல்
என்ட்ரியா
அட்ஜஸ்டிங்.
போட்டுட்டு அது போகும். ஸோ திஸ்
ஓகே.
லெவல்ஸ்.
செகண்டரி லெஜர் கன்வெர்ட். ஓகே.
ஆமா, திஸ் ஆர் ஆல் யூ டு
ஃபைன்.
டேக். அதான் படிச்சு இது ரிப்போர்ட்டிங் கரன்சி பார்த்தோம்,
ரிப்போர்ட்டிங்
அதே
கரன்சி.
வந்திருக்கு இல்லையா. ஒய் ரிப்போர்ட்டிங் கரன்சி, யூ ரீட் த ரீசன்.
Used for consolidating report and analysis. Okay. To need to physical move and balance to create a view of consolidation data. Beneficial for parent consolidation entitled that share the same chart of accounts and calendar with the subsidiaries. Okay சார், இது வந்து என்னன்னா கன்சால்டேட்டிங் அண்ட் ரிப்போர்ட்டிங் அனலைஸ் பண்றதுக்கு வந்து நம்ம வந்து இப்போ இந்த ரிப்போர்ட் எடுக்கிறோம்னா அந்த ரிப்போர்ட் கன்சால்டேட் பண்ணி அனலைஸ் பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். பிசிக்கல் மூவ் பேலன்ஸ்க்கு வந்து நோ நீட் ஃபார் பிசிக்கல் மூவ். அதாவது இந்த நம்ம சேட் மாதிரி போட்டு பிசிக்கலாக பண்ணுறதுக்கு பதிலாக இது கன்சால்டேட் பண்ணி நியூவாக காட்டலாம். இப்போ ரிப்போர்ட் ஜென்ரேட் பண்ணுறது ட்ரையல் பேலன்ஸ் ரிப்போர்ட்டு. ஸோ நம்ம லெஜர்ஸில் எடுக்கிற லெஜர் ரிப்போர்ட்ஸு, அந்த ரிப்போர்ட்ஸில் வந்து ஃபிசிக்கலாக டிரான்ஸ்லேட் ஆகி கன்சால்டேட்டடாக பண்ணி தரோம் நம்மளுக்கு எதாவது என்னென்ன செக்டாரில் இருக்குது. பெனிஃபிட் இது தேர்ட் லைன் தான் சார், புரியல என்னது பெனிஃபிஷியல் ஃபார்
பேரண்ட் கன்சால்டேஷன் டிண்டல். ஓகே ஓகே. இப்போ இந்த அக்கௌண்ட் கொடுத்தேன்ல 2 lakh to 2999, 3 lakh to 3999 போட்டிருக்கோம் இல்லையா. So nobody, நான் எல்லா அக்கௌண்ட்டும் எப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன், even though 3 lakh I started with 3 lakh 1, correct?
ஓகே. ஆமா.
So that is a parent ID. ஒரு இதுக்கும் ஹெட் வந்து எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ் டோட்டல். இப்போ you want to build a report na over expense கூட they won't take la. So there is a summary account they call parent account is 3000 1002. அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அக்கௌண்ட் parent account. Okay. அத நம்ம பேரண்ட் அக்கௌண்டா பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அந்த அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்குள்ள ஆல் த 300001 399999 எல்லாமே அதுல வந்துரும். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அதான் பேரண்ட். புரியுதா? மத்த எல்லாமே சைல்டு. அதுதான் இங்க சொல்றாங்க. புரியுதா? ஓகே ஓகே ரைட்டா. இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் படிச்சீங்கன்னா you will understand.
அதான் சார், இப்போ ஒரு செக்டார் 60 இருக்கா, இது வரைக்கும் நான் கொஞ்சம் கோ த்ரூ பண்றேன் சார்.
பண்ணுங்க. இல்லங்க, இந்த செட்டப்பை முடிச்சிருவோம். நீங்க படிச்சீங்கன்னா it will go very fast. only picture and repeated தான் இருக்கு பாருங்களேன். ஓகே. மோஸ்ட்லி பாத்தீங்கன்னா டயகிராம் அண்ட் குவிஸ் அண்ட் ரிப்பீட்டட். you have to type notes ஸ்லோவா you have to read. ஓகே. பாத்தீங்கன்னா அன்லிமிட்டெட் கரன்சி யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஷேரிங் லெட்ஜர் அக்கார்டிங் ஆரக்கிள். so you are sharing the same ledger, அதுவும் இருக்கு. so building the chart of, this is what I told you, right? so maximum 30, minimum 20 character company cost center la why we are designing, see identify
characters la வந்து நீங்க சொல்ற characters narrationல தான சார் சொல்றீங்க?
no இது ஆமா அந்த explanation company account அந்த இது description, narrationல description. so எதெல்லாம் வச்சு இதோ பாருங்க, company location, how we design, இதெல்லாம் பொறுமையா you have to see. okay. see, don't club product and don't club too much. காம்ப்ளிகேஷனே கிடையாது, டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கணும். பாருங்க, ப்ராடக்ட் அண்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் do not put in same segment. ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் இருக்கா? that means
ப்ராடக்ட் அண்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட்,
அதாவது எக்ஸாம்பிள், you should not club, you should be very clear with the customer, segment clear பண்றப்போ. okay
fine.
analyze business. இதை ரீட் பண்ணுங்க.
validation and value set. when you define the value set, you can also need to determine how we want to validate your values. the available valid types are independent, dependent, table, and Oracle recommend using independent validation with accounting text field. okay
சொல்லுங்க
சார். இது வந்து எது சொல்லுதுன்னா வேலிடேஷன். இப்போ இண்டிபெண்டன்ட், டிபெண்டன்ட், டேபிள். ஓகே. வேலிடேட் பண்ற திங்ஸ்ல சார், இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன செட் ஆஃப் வேல்யூ நான் கரெக்டான செட் ஆஃப் போட்டிருக்கேன்னா, இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு கம்பெனிக்கு இந்த செட் ஆஃப் இதுதான் விழுந்திருக்கணும், அக்கௌண்ட் கோட், அந்த கோட், அது எல்லாமே அந்த செட் ஆஃப்
உள்ள இருக்க வேலிடேஷன் டைப் வந்து இண்டிபெண்டன்ட்டா இருக்கலாம். see, one value set can be dependent on other value set. there is a dependent value set. these are all type. this is more required for technical people. Okay,
ஆமா.
just go through.
இல்ல சார்,
Take.
என்னன்னா நான் என்ன கேட்க வந்தேன்னா,
ம்.
இப்போ அந்த வேலிடேஷன்லயே இப்போ நம்ம செக் பண்ண வேண்டியது என்னன்னா, என்னென்ன திங்ஸ்லாம் கரெக்டா இருக்கு, ப்ராப்பரா இருக்கு, இந்த
இல்ல
அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு இந்த
இது
ரிட்டர்ன்
ஆல்ரெடி
இருக்கா, அது
இன்பில்ட் தான் சிஸ்டம்ல. Just you
ஓகே,
should know which to choose for which one. So
ஓகே,
technical knows significance.
ஓகே,
Suppose you are developing an oracle for a military organization. Military organization na there are 10 people na one people should not know other hierarchy. அந்த மாதிரி hierarchy definition இது. Okay, அதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். So X, Y, there are 10 officer, one officer will not, all 10 will not report to one officer la. It will be different. It is having some security that அதுக்கு தான். இதுவும் அதில் உள்ளதுதான். Okay, designing number system, everything, creating accounting flux பாருங்க, value set, accounting structure, all we see.
இது ஓகே, செக்மென்ட்,
Defining value set, இதெல்லாம் you have to read. Read பண்ணி whatever you understand take.
இல்ல இதுல கோட்லாம் இருக்கு சார், அது
இல்ல கோட்ல நம்ம எக்ஸாம்பிள் தான். see balancing 01, 02, 03 company cost center everything
நம்மளே கிரியேட் பண்ற கோட் தானே சார்? இப்போ ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கம்பெனிக்கு ஒரு கோட் இருக்கும்.
we are creating தான். நான் சொன்னேன்ல, நான் I given the account as 1 2, here they given TSAL. So it can be alphanumeric also. Okay,
alpha, okay,
navigation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. navigation we can see will be creating this one practical. Okay,
sir.
So you have to read up to all you can read. Okay, accounting calendar, this why it is there. See, it is not that 100% you should understand. Whatever understand, you understand. And note down the doubt.
I will ask you, sir.
You have to ask me. Whatever you note the doubt, and whatever you should leave it. If it belong to technical. Okay. The ledger set, these are all you can finish. Okay. So up to this page you can read. Up to 84. Okay. Even you can read this ledger and all setup. These are all practical only. If you have time, see. Up to 84 read it, then finish the AP. Okay.
Okay, sir. 136, sir. Okay.
Okay. Till now you have any doubt?
No, sir. I don't have any doubt.
Okay, I'll share the Excel and I share also this video and last video. Okay.
Okay, sir. So sharing the video also, sir?
Yeah, I am sharing. I'll share you.
Okay.
I already uploaded in YouTube. I'll share you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Okay, sir. Sir,